This is exciting. Hi again. So we're here for our third edition of the progress that is occurring in our new store. So let's go in and see how it's going. It looks like they're pouring concrete to fill in the electrical trenches here. The areas they cut out on the floor for providing us electrical outlets for displays and chairs and power bases for our mattresses. I'm gonna walk back here. Looks like a couple of guys working. How y'all doing? So I'm gonna walk on back. Looks like they have yet a few trenches that they've placed some rebar into the trenches for reinforcement. So the sanitary drainage system, their stand-ups are still here. They're going to trim those when they start installing the sinks and toilets and such. Well, we are having progress. This is exciting. Well, that's it for today. I hope that you stay with us and you follow us. And if you like what you're seeing, like us. And if you have comments, leave comments in the comment section. But we hopefully will be in our new store in a short amount of time. Come see us at Willow Bend. We're still there. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye.